Hello, my people. I want to bring to you five important triggers to know how to invest your money in real estate. Okay, right here from Lekki, Lagos properties, where we make landlord and home ownership a reality for Nigerians in Nigeria. Okay, my name is Austin Augustus, a realtor and coach from Lekki, Lagos Properties. I want to speak to you on a quick one on five triggers on how to know where to invest your money in real estate and bet it for a good return in the years to come. Now, five very important triggers. Number one, the futures. Number two, the amenities. Okay. Number three, the landmarks. Number four, we're talking about government interests. Okay. Number five, we're talking about population. Five important triggers. First, we're talking about exciting features in an estate that is going to be a toast of the day and that's going to be a good one for you to be able to bet your investment on. If you want to be sure of if an estate is going to deliver, you have to consider the kind of features that estate is made up of. How exciting are those features? What kind of topography does it have? Okay, what are the layout of the estate? What is the network connection? What are the facilities they are? Okay, are they the same class of environment? If it's bungalows, are they bungalows? Facilities like swimming pools, okay, facility like 24/7 water supply, lighting system, 24/7 security, tight security, the game area, the sport complexes, okay, and the green area for children. What other facilities are right there in that estate to encourage comfort, okay, and to encourage the people who are living in the estate to have maximum, comfort right in that estate. Facilities are so important and cannot be on the loot, okay. And then that number three, very important, an area of duplexes. Are they duplexes? Do you have terraces in a particular section or corner of that estate? Okay. Number two, we're talking about amenities. Now, amenities are very important facilities that an estate that is going to thrive and that is going to be luxurious should reflect government interest in the area. Now, is it an area that the government has interest in or not? If the government is not showing any interest in that area, trust me, development will be very slow and will be lagging behind. So if you're looking for an estate, you have to look at is government at all? Do they have interest in that axis? Do they have interest in the area? It's so important because once there is government presence, okay, there's hospitals from the government, there's police stations, there is a lot of other amenities that the government is meant to provide, recreational center, schools, and all the facilities that the government is supposed to provide, the road system in the environment. It's a very important thing you need to look at to know if it's a good buy, if it's an area that you should invest your money, okay? And then the population of that axis, are people coming to the area? Are you having people moving to the environment or not? If the population is in and out and dwindling down, it's not a good investment. But if it is rising and stable in its rise, it's a good one you need to look at, okay? I'm talking about the triggers that will help you and will show to you that this is a good investment for you. Okay? The amenities, the population, I'm talking about the government interest in an area, landmarks, okay? The landmarks in the environment. What are the renowned landmarks? You have conspicuously renowned landmarks in the axis of this estate. About the Dangote refinery in the axis, the Pan-African University in the axis. You're talking about the seaport, the Lekki Free Trade Zone. Okay, this is the axis of Lekki, Lagos. Okay, Ajah, Lekki Phase 1, just at this same axis, ShopRite, the Novera shopping mall, just right at the axis of this estate, that you can trust Lekki Lagos properties to guarantee you an investment that is high yielding. Now, as you've seen this video, my number is scrolling on the screen. Call me up right now. I tell you, here we make landlord and home ownership a reality for Nigerians in Nigeria. Okay, wherever you are from around the world, the number is scrolling on the screen. I'll be glad to help you to be able to secure a good buy right here at Lekki Lagos properties. Okay, don't you forget 5 triggers for your real estate investment to guarantee you. It's a way for you to know where to invest your money in real estate. The future must be exciting. The amenities must be modern facility. There must be social, ultra-modern amenities that are up to date, okay, in such an environment, such as I am. You can see the gold touch, you can see the bungalow, you can see the beautiful white background, okay. This is a lovely estate right where I am. Call me up right now. My number is scrolling on the screen. You talk about the government interest in the environment. You talk about the population increase in the environment. You talk about the landmarks. These are 5 tips to know how and where to invest your money in real estate right here in Nigeria. This is Austin Augustus, your realtor, sharing with you a very important insight on how to place your money and where to place your money in real estate. Trust me, it's not just about investment. It's about the right investment, where to put your money and guarantee you return. That's what we do well at Lekki Lagos Properties, Lekki Lagos, Nigeria. I'll see you in my next broadcast. Please, in case it's your first time, if you love this video, subscribe and as well click the notification button so you could get our further future video. I'm waiting for you and I'm expecting to hear from you. All the way from Lekki Lagos Properties, Lekki Lagos, Nigeria, where we make landlords and home ownership a reality for all Nigerians right here in Nigeria.